It's been very exciting around here the past few months.
I've been getting the baby's nursery ready.
3 months now. Paul's painting everything blue.
With the baby on the way, Kelly's been working on the home budget to cut costs where we can.
I started with our phone bill.
With the new phone service from Cable Bahamas, Kelly found us over $200 a year in savings.
Rev Voice is only $14.99 a month, and it includes all the extra features we paid for at the other phone company at no additional cost.
You get call waiting, call ID,
All
custom
for only-
speed dial, voicemail,
All for
three-way
just-
calling,
Under $15 a
and the
month.
sound quality is incredible. It just sounds good.
It's like HD for your phone. HD.
Unleash the power of your phone with Rev Voice for as low as $14.99 a month with multiple calling features free of charge. Ask how much you can save today.